Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths online, full guide. Start by setting clear goals and a realistic schedule with 30-minute focus sessions. Break topics into bite-sized chunks and prioritize concepts that unlock others. Find a platform that mixes short videos, worked examples, and quizzes to test yourself. Keep a dedicated digital notebook and review mistakes weekly to convert weak areas into strengths with consistent effort. Use active methods to move knowledge into long-term memory by testing yourself after every lesson. Practice spaced repetition for formulas and definitions, spacing reviews over days and weeks. Mix problem types and include timed drills to simulate exam pressure and improve speed. Explain solutions aloud as if teaching someone else, which reveals gaps quickly and cements understanding, and aim to solve each problem without hints before checking the answer. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading textbooks and taking refreshing breaks between study blocks, and it fits easily in a backpack. It makes downtime more enjoyable and keeps you motivated between sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose platforms offering concise videos, worked examples, and downloadable notes to match your pace. Combine video lessons with problem banks and past papers to build fluency and exam readiness. Use digital tools like a stylus for handwritten practice and a calculator app for number checks. Keep a progress checklist and set weekly milestones, then adjust focus based on weak topics to make steady measurable improvement across the whole syllabus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.